Let's clear up one of the most misunderstood vehicles on any dealer's lot, the manufacturer buyback. The word lemon makes people nervous, and that's fair. But a manufacturer buyback isn't a car someone dumped because it was falling apart. It's a vehicle Ford repurchased, repaired, and verified before putting it back on the market. Here's how one becomes a buyback. A vehicle is sold new. The owner brings it in for a warranty concern, and after several repair attempts, the concern still isn't resolved. At that point, Ford buys the vehicle back. Then Ford goes to work on it, using genuine Ford parts and current diagnostic tools, and runs it through a 50-point checklist covering both mechanical and cosmetic condition. That process usually takes about 2 weeks. If a vehicle can't be brought up to standard, it gets recycled. It never reaches the public. So what a buyback is not, it isn't a salvage or rebuilt vehicle. These cars haven't been in accidents, haven't taken flood damage, and haven't been declared a total loss by an insurer. One thing to check though, a buyback may or may not carry a marked title, so ask which one you're looking at before you sign. Now the part most buyers actually care about. A manufacturer buyback carries either the original factory warranty or a 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty, whichever is longer. That's real coverage, not a handshake. So, are they reliable? At Dennis Sneed Ford, these vehicles show a 95% customer satisfaction rate, with 90% still running smoothly a year after purchase. There is a genuine trade-off, and it's resale. Because the buyback history gets disclosed, the vehicle won't command the same price down the road as one without that history. The offset comes up front. These are priced substantially below comparable retail, and that's where the savings live. Dennis Sneed Ford in Gower, Missouri, specializes in these vehicles, so the selection runs deeper than what most stores carry, and free Carfax and AutoCheck reports are available online anytime. Before you commit, ask 4 things: what the original defect was, what repairs Ford performed, how much warranty coverage is left, and whether the title is marked. A dealer who handles these regularly will have those answers ready. To see what's on the ground right now, call Dennis Sneed Ford at 816-409-1975 or stop by 1046 Southwest Highway 169 in Gower, Missouri.